Hello, and welcome to English with Joe.
Hi, Mom, how are you doing?
Hi, Ryan. We're good. How are you and the family?
We're fine. What about you and Dad?
Your dad is in the garage washing his car and listening to music, and I'm studying Spanish.
Studying Spanish? Why?
Because we're planning a trip to Spain next year, and I want to learn some basic phrases.
That's awesome. I didn't know that. So, what's everyone else at home doing?
Well, we're all having a quiet day at home, just relaxing.
Aren't the kids doing their homework?
No, they finished all their homework yesterday. Mia is in the living room watching TV and eating popcorn.
What's she watching?
I'm not sure, but it looks like a comedy. She's laughing a lot.
And Liam?
He's in the kitchen making lunch.
What's he cooking?
He's trying out a new pasta recipe he found online. I think it's made with carrots and chicken.
Wow, it's great having a 12-year-old chef at home.
It really is. He loves cooking.
And what about Emma?
She's outside in the garden planting vegetables.
Planting vegetables? I didn't know she was into gardening.
She wasn't before, but she's been watching a show about organic food and gardening, and now she loves it.
That's amazing. If you grow vegetables, Liam can use them in his recipes.
Exactly.
And what are you doing right now?
I'm having a cup of tea and watching some old videos on my computer.
What videos?
Videos of Mia and Liam when they were little.
Ah, that's so sweet.
I know. It feels like it was just yesterday. Anyway, Ryan, have a lovely day. I'm going back to learning Spanish.
You too, Mom. Bye.
Bye.